All right, now that you know on how to open the bow, you know stance, you know everything, what we are going to talk about is anchor point and where you should draw the arrow back to. All right, I have two anchor points that I love most with Mediterranean release. The first one is where the middle finger hooks into the corner of my lip right here. All right, the second one for Mediterranean release is when known as three-finger split. For those who call it three-finger split, I like to have it come all the way back here to my jaw. All right, I like that one and this one for Mediterranean release. And I have three anchor points that I like for thumb release. One is right here to the corner of my mouth, boom, like this. As you can see, it's right here to the corner of my mouth, boom. And then I like my second one, and it's right here on my jaw. Same exact spot every single time if I'm drawing to my jaw. And the third one that I like is to have my earlobe set on my thumb ring. So boom, 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 boom. And all my anchor points are in 100% straight line. So if I'm coming right here and if I'm coming right here, they're all in the same line, all the way to my earlobe. Those are the three anchor points that I like for thumb release. If my methods work for you, and like I said, these are just my methods for my shot process, all right? All these videos are the way that I do things. I may not be doing them 100% correctly. It's just the way that I like to do things for my shot process. And if my shot process does help you out in your shot process and you would like to support the channel, there is a PayPal link in the description box below. If you would like to know more about my shot process, then please hop on over to Patreon and become a Patreon member. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and you guys have a blessed day in Christ. Bye now.